Tyler, you have group term life insurance of $68,467 through your employer, and this coverage is $8,467 above the maximum non-taxable amount of $50,000. So using the IRS table, we find that there will be an additional $22 of imputed taxable income to you as a result of this coverage. Mia, you also have a group term life insurance policy of $129,984 through your employer. This coverage is $79,984 above the maximum non-taxable amount of $50,000. So once again, using the IRS tables, we find that there will be an additional $96 of imputed taxable income to you as a result of this coverage. So combined, your taxable income will increase by $118. Concerning long-term care insurance, as you recall, we recommended that you both purchase a long-term care insurance plan, which would cost about $100 per month or $1,200 per year, and it would cover both of you. You may deduct up to $680 for each of you, or $1,320 as a medical expense. So this is definitely something that you may want to consider. We also discussed the Series EE bonds for Becky's college education in a number of places throughout this presentation. And again, when they are finally cashed in, you will want to make sure that your income is not so high in that particular tax year so that you can get tax-free treatment of the accrued interest. And by making the contributions, maxing out the contributions to your 401ks as we suggested, we think that we can do that so that the accrued interest that you earn from that will be tax-free. And in closing, I just want to reiterate some of our major income tax planning suggestions. Once again, to reiterate, Tyler, complete a new Form W-4 and indicate 7 tax exemptions. Also, Tyler, sign up for your medical FSA and begin contributing around $39 per pay period, which is roughly a total of $1,000 each year. In terms of your 401k plan, Tyler, we want to see you beginning to contribute around $8,000 per year, and for you, Mia, to contribute around $3,928. We also would like to see you to contribute around $3,091 into your Section 529 plan each year to provide for Becky's college education. And if you are going to make charitable gifts in the future, as you have in the past, try to gift long-term appreciated property, such as, say, some of the mutual funds that you no longer care to hold but have appreciated in value over time. And then in the same year that your Series EE savings bonds are cashed in for Becky's education, make sure that your taxable income is reduced significantly through elective contributions, such as 401k contributions, so that you are not phased out of the EE savings bond education expense benefits. And that is pretty much it. I really appreciated your time today, and I look forward to seeing you in a couple of weeks when we're both in our region and we can meet face to face. In the meantime, I've provided on page 40, 41, and 42 a action items list of the key steps that we need to take through the remainder of this year and beyond in each of the key planning areas, such as expense management, risk management, and so on. So I'd like to give you two some time to look that over, to plan out your schedule so that we could meet all of these steps because the two of you and our firm, we do look at ourselves as partners in seeing that you and your family becomes financially successful. And lastly, for our services, I have uh, an invoice on the back, and as you can see, we through this plan we've been able to accomplish a lot. We've been able to reduce your debt, increase your discretionary cash flow, build up your emergency savings over time, provide for Becky's college education, provide for both you and Mia's retirement, Tyler, and also do some estate planning so that Becky is looked after and that your assets could pass to their rightful beneficiaries in a manner that is private and does not necessarily have to go through probate court. And most importantly, throughout all this, we've found ways to minimize the various risk to you, your income streams, and your assets throughout the years ahead so that you as a family unit are all well protected. So we look forward to implementing this plan for you, and I will touch base with you approximately a week from now to confirm our appointment 2 weeks from now, and then we can do the implementation then. Please let me know if you have any other questions. You can reach me at 555-555-1212. And thanks again for giving our firm an opportunity to develop this financial plan for you and Mia, Tyler. We look forward to implementing it.